Hey, I just wanted to do a short wrap-up video to kind of end the class and let you see what some of the final projects were. You can see I got all my phones back behind me. The last ones came in today. Thanks everyone for taking good care of our equipment. There's a big stack of them back there. Kind of funny. We had 3 people that did the option 2 assignment for the Android project, and they were kind of neat. So I thought I'd just give you some clips of what they did. There are 3 kind of approaches that people took. The first approach was a straightforward keyboard layout where you kind of rolled a tablet, in this case, around to pick the letter that you wanted. A second approach was more of a spell check, kind of artificial intelligence approach a little bit, where you entered some suggestion of keys in, and then a more sophisticated kind of spell correction took over and tried to find the best words given what you kind of entered in with some bucketed letters. And then the last one was kind of out of the box. It was a system where you entered your letters in using Morse code by tilting the device to the left as a dot or left as a dash, depending on the time. And then those were turned into letters, and a couple other hand motions were used in order to do capitalization and stuff. So great job. We'll be doing grades on Monday morning, and you'll have all day Monday to look to see if you have any corrections. Look at them early in the morning because I got to turn them in at 5 o'clock. There's a really tight schedule this year. So thanks a lot for the quarter. I enjoyed having you all, and I'll see you on campus in the new year. Hi, what's your name?
Noel Canlis.
And what are you doing today?
I'm demoing the Tilt keyboard app.
You could easily tilt up, right, down, or left. I developed the whole app. I had the text view. I had several buttons on here for the keyboard.
Okay, so you're moving the device till the characters light up, and you're using one key to press it. This is kind of like if you were trying to enter text on a watch, for example. You could imagine moving the highlight over the keyboard and then hitting the select button. You.
David Garcia, and
I'm Dimitar. We are demoing motion detection keys like this.
So that's picking between characters in a bucket at the bottom. Let me zoom in so you can see that. Okay, and then when you want to select a character, what do you do?
You flip the phone towards you. So you do this.
Okay. And then you've got this interesting feature where in order to finalize the characters, you have a suggested sort of a character word correction. How does that work? So, physically, what do you do physically?
So physically, you would rotate the phone like this and it would suggest a word for you.
Great.
When that is available. So let's try adding some word like, for example, dot.
we need to go and find the set which contains the character we want to introduce and introduce it every time. Then just flip over the phone.
So we suggested another word, which is dois, another word we can spell with E and O, so everything is right.
All right, great. Thank you very much.
I'm Kelly. I used Morse code to translate that into text.
Great, so show us how you enter Morse code on your app.
So if you tilt slightly to the right, you get a dit or a dot. If you tilt it slightly faster and a little more, then you get a da, which is like a dash. And then if you tilt it forward, you translate this Morse code into a string. And then if you rotate it clockwise, you can capitalize it. Sorry. And if you want to delete the Morse that you're typing, you tilt it left. Oops. And then if you want to do a space, you tilt it forward, but kind of slowly. If you don't know Morse code, you can click the tutorial, and it'll show you the dictionary or what's available, and also like a reminder of how to use the application. So
Okay. Emergency message sent. Thank you very much. Great job.
thank you.